Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create an invoice in Bookipi. So you are going to log into your Bookipi account, and once you're logged in, you're going to go to your dashboard over here. So click dashboard like so. We are going to our dashboard, so wait for it to load. It does take a couple seconds, as you can see. Once you are here, you want to click on the very first option here. It says invoice, right? So you can either click on this or just click on create, right? So we want to click on create like so. Now here, you're going to see a tab here that says invoice, estimate, credit note, delivery note, purchase orders. So we're just going to go with your invoice, so we can just pretty much customize the invoice number one. Let's say number 01-2026, right? For example, purchase order number. So just put the purchase order. So let's say 0001, for example. Date is going to be June 10th, which is as of this recording, and then due date is whenever you need the due date to. So by default, it's going to be a week later, right? And then you're going to type your item. So for example, digital goods. There we go. And then you're gonna see discount and shipping. So discount, let's say $10. Shipping cost is 15. Click done. There we go. Click new item, right? So price, let's say 50 bucks. Description, just add a description here. Click save. So as you can see, digital goods is $50. And then discount and shipping $10. So you're gonna be amount due is 55. And then if you want to open a note or add a note, just type the note here, right? And then if you have a photo, just drag and drop, and then that title of the photo, description of the photo, and then you'll be good to go. You're gonna have your first invoice in Bookipi. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.